from investing activities. Now business क्या करता है? Business चालू करने के लिए business पैसा लेता है किसके पास से? Shareholders, we talk of limited company, shareholders है, financial institutions है, banks है, और ये पैसा वो कहीं invest करता है, जो use करके जिसपे भी invest करेगा उसको use करके they will generate profit. That is how anyone would do business. Now investing activities में we are going to study two parts. अच्छा, you understood the difference between financing and investing? Finance यानी तुमने किसी से लोन लिया, वो फाइनेंस करा तुमने, और वो पैसे से तुमने एक कमर्शियल ऑफिस खरीदा, वो तुम्हारा इन्वेस्टिंग हुआ. Okay? Now over here there are two parts: changes, assets of balance sheet. Changes in assets of balance sheet. और कहाँ पे जाते हैं asset पे? Okay. Changes in assets of balance sheet. We don't include current assets, or we can say all non-current assets. Now इसमें अलग-अलग दिए है, we all know it, but we can write purchase of assets, various assets, all non-current है, we write non-current. Sale of assets, non-current. यहाँ पे एक टिपिकल पॉइंट है, loan, lended. Now this is tricky to understand. ये क्या है ये loan lended? Loan lended यानी we have given loan to someone so that we can earn what? Interest. Understood this? So this is a investing activity. Just like we are buying some investment, we are giving loan to someone so that we can earn fixed interest on it. Now loan lended and then loan received back. Income from investing activities. These are non-operating income removed from profit. Now, when we say purchase of assets, assets include various assets like land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fittings, vehicles. Also includes investments. So what we get when we invest money, we can receive dividend. So dividend received. If they are in instruments like debentures or bonds, we receive interest. And then, if the property what we are using is given on rent, then it is not our operating income, it is our investing income. Rent received. But what is rent paid? Operating, admin expense. Come to page number 286. Question number 80. From the following information, calculate cash flow from investing activities. Now, investing activities में क्या क्या आएगा? Change in assets of the balance sheet. What assets? Only non-current asset. So yes, sir. Now, if you are buying any asset, cash comes in or goes out? Cash goes out. Okay. If you are selling an asset, cash comes in. Loan given, goes out and loan received back cash comes in. बेसिक कंसेप्ट सबको पता है. इन तीनों के केस में व्हाट अबाउट कैश? कैश कम्स इन. ओके, ये ध्यान में रखना. सेल ऑफ नॉन करंट इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लस और माइनस. सेल ऑफ नॉन करंट इन्वेस्टमेंट को बेचा तो क्या मिला? कैश. तो वहां पे कर दो प्लस, लिखो प्लस. Then purchase of land minus purchase of machine, sale of furniture, dividend received, paid for goodwill, issue of shares, issue of shares. No, issue of shares cross because it is financing activity. Because it is financing activity, in issue of shares will not come. Here we have to prepare only cash flow from investing activities. पता चला सबको? Okay. Then redemption of debentures. Will it come? No. Okay. And loan borrowed. Loan लिया. तो वो financing है, पैसा लिया. Okay. So that will also not come. Cross कर दो. Okay. Statement of cash flow from investing activities. Now, make a format, simple format, single column. First, sale of non-current investment. $88,000. Purchase of land. $1,48,000. Positive or negative? Positive or negative? Negative. So we write in brackets. Then purchase of machine. $98,000 in bracket. Sale of furniture. $45,000 positive because we received the money. Dividend received. On investment. $40,000. Paid for goodwill. It means we are buying goodwill. $32,000. Cash goes out. Negative. That's it. Do the totals. Cash flow from investing activities. $1,05,000. ब्रैकेट में लिख लो. Here you write cash outflow. Cash outflow. Page number 287, question number 19. From the following details, calculate cash flow from investing activities. Now, be careful in this. Plant and machine opening or previous year was 7,20,000. Current year is 9,20,000. Increase or decrease? Decrease. So we have purchased or we have sold? Purchased. तो वहाँ पे plant and machine में लिख दो minus 2 lakh. डायरेक्ट सम में करोगे तो भी चलेगा, सिर्फ माइनस लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. डेप्रिसिएशन का कुछ भी करना है हमें? नो. पेटेंट 1,30,000 से 70 हो गया. पेटेंट हैज डिक्रीज, इट मींस वी हैव सोल्ड. So cash comes in plus 10% investment 2,70,000 था हो गया 95. It has fallen, so we have sold. So plus general reserve cancel, profit and loss cancel, equity share capital cancel, bank loan cancel, current liability cancel, interest received on investments positive or negative? Positive. Then sum of patents were sold during the year. Already given patent जो 130 से 70 हुआ was not patent written off. It was patent which was sold. Got it, all of you? Understood this? Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's start with plant and machine. Now it was 7,20,000 in the previous year. Current year it has become 9,20,000. So it has increased. So we have purchase of plant and machine. Two lakhs. Positive or negative? Negative. Please be careful. Then depreciation ignored. Goodwill को कट करके वहां पे नोट दो. Assume that goodwill is written off. Assume that goodwill is written off. That's why not taken into this. Patents sold. कितना patent sold? 60,000. Then 10% investment sold. 1,75,000. And then interest received on investment already given 18,000. Rest all will not come. So total 53,000 positive. Cash flow from investing activities. Now, illustration 11. From the following information of Nirali Company Limited, determine cash flow from investing activities. Now, in this sum, opening balance of machine is given, closing balance of machine is given. Then, further information is given. Book value of machine sold during the year is given. Then depreciation provided on machine is given and selling price of machine is given. दिया ही है, चलो इसका selling price दिया है. Now इसमें हमें find करना है क्या missing है और वो कैसे हमारे cash flow को affect करता है. So for this, अच्छा, what is not given? Don't see the answer. What is not given? Purchase of machine is not given. तो purchase of machine है कि नहीं है वो actually हमें अभी पता है नहीं, वो हमें working करके find करना पड़ेगा. Okay? Now let's make a machinery account. बना लो machinery account. अगर ये सब में सिर्फ ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग ही दिया होता, you could have assumed as you did in previous sums कि 450 से 4 हो गया तो 50,000 का मशीन बेच दिया, पर प्रैक्टिकली ऐसा होता नहीं है बिकॉज डेप्रिसिएशन का भी इफेक्ट आता है. ओके, अगर डेप्रिसिएशन का इफेक्ट डायरेक्टली मशीन अकाउंट में नहीं आएगा तो देयर विल बी प्रोविजन फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट. प्रीवियस सम में था ना डेप्रिसिएशन प्रोविजन. ओके, और accumulated depreciation. Now let's write opening balance to balance brought forward. पहले जो भी information है you write that 4,50,000 by balance carried forward, closing balance 4 lakh. Book value of machine sold 25,000. And depreciation provided on machine. First let's write depreciation. By depreciation 50,000. Now what's the journal entry for machines sold? Sales is 15,000. So cash or bank account debit 15,000 to machine account. Machine goes out. What's the difference? Loss. Yes, loss. So we write profit and loss account. Profit and loss account debit 10,000. You may write in bracket, this is the book value, this is the sales value, and this is the loss. Whenever you are stuck up anywhere in accounts, make a journal entry. That's the key. In exam कुछ नया आ गया, आगे भविष्य में तुम्हारी accounts के exam में हमेशा journal entry बना लो, तो life will become easier. Now we do the posting by bank. $15,000 and by profit and loss account. Loss 10,000. That's it. All done. Close it. Balance it. Four lakh 75,000. It does not tally. There is a difference, and that difference is what? It's purchase. So cash or bank. 25,000. Balancing figure. From this, we'll make our cash flow statement for cash flow from investing activities. Now, we are buying a machine, so purchase of machine. 25,000 negative. Cash goes out and sale of machine. What amount? 15, 25, 15 or 25? 15 or 25? 15 because utna hi cash mila. It's a cash flow statement. I told you connect it with cash book. So what comes in? Cash comes in. How much? 15,000. Okay. Sale of machine 15,000. अब ध्यान दो ये loss कहाँ चला जाएगा? ये लॉस कहाँ जाएगा? ये लॉस ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी में हम उसको ऐड बैक कर देते. पता चला? ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज में जब हम फाइंड करते प्रॉफिट बिफोर वर्किंग कैपिटल चेंजेस, उसमें हम हमारे प्रॉफिट में इसको ऐड बैक कर देते बिकॉज इट इज लॉस. और अगर प्रॉफिट है तो उसको माइनस कर दे. इज दिस क्लियर? ओके. तो वहां पे ऐड बैक हो गया, तो वहां पे 10,000 प्लस हो गया, ये 15,000 यहाँ पे प्लस हो गया, तो 25,000 का इफेक्ट आ गया ना. That's how it works. Okay. Now close it. You get 4 marks for this. Cash flow from investing activities. No doubt. Okay. Page number 273, illustration 30. Important है ये सब from exam point of view. From the following information of Bridge Mohan Limited, prepare cash flow statement from investing activities. Now, investment in 12% debentures, machine, land and building, furniture, patent and goodwill. Let's go through the additional information and then we revisit the above. Additional information. First, provide 20% depreciation on machines. Okay. Provide 10% depreciation on furniture. In the beginning of the year, 40% investment sold for 3 lakh and interest received on investment 60,000. Now over here, investment account, machine account and furniture account have information, additional information, and that's why we'll have to prepare the ledger account to find out how much purchases we have made or if we have sold something during the year. At the same time, we have land and building. Any change in land and building? No. Patent and goodwill are intangible asset. So it is assumed that they are written off. So we are not including them. Got it, all of you? Okay. Now let's start first with investment in 12% debentures. So 12% investments, we have opening balance. So balance bought forward. 6 lakh or 4 lakh? 6 lakh or 4 lakh? 4 lakh. Be careful in exam. 4 lakh. Because पहले 6 lakh दिया है और गलती से 6 lakh मत लिख देना. Okay? This purchase will become sale. Then buy. Balance carried forward 6 lakh. In the beginning of the year, 40% investment were sold for 3 lakh. Working note. 1. For sale of investment. Investment at the beginning of year. Rupees 4 lakh. 40% sold. So 4 lakh का 40%. 1 lakh 60,000. At what price? Sales value of 3 lakhs. So what is 1 lakh 40,000? It's our profit. ये प्रॉफिट का हम क्या करेंगे? ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी में इसको हम माइनस कर देंगे. Okay? Sales value, यानी this much cash comes in. Write a journal entry for this. Cash or bank account debit. 3 lakhs. To investment account. 1 lakh 60,000. And to profit and loss account or profit on sale of investment. 1 lakh 40,000. Okay, सबका? Okay, do the posting. Buy bank or buy cash or bank. 3 lakhs. 2. Profit on sale of investment. 1 lakh 40,000. That's it. Okay, इसको क्लोज कर देते. Credit side is more, 9 lakh. 9 lakh. Debit side is less. So to what? To cash or bank. Balancing figure. Can I say purchase? 3,60,000. 3,60,000. So this will cash and bank. This also cash and bank. Both will go to our investing activity. लिख देते simultaneously. Sale of investment. 3 lakhs. Positive. Purchase of investment. 3,60,000. Negative. Machines. To balance what forward? What's the opening balance? 4 lakh? 2 lakh. 2 lakh. Buy balance carried forward. 4 lakh. What information is given? Depreciation is given. What's the amount of depreciation? We have to calculate, provide 20% depreciation on machine. Let's provide by depreciation. What's the amount? 2 lakh into 20%. That is 40,000. Know the information given? Close it. 4,40,000. To cash or bank. Balancing figure. 2,40,000. Buying, purchase of machine. 2,40,000. Furniture. Opening balance 80,000. To balance bought forward 80,000. Buy balance carried forward 1 lakh. By depreciation. What's the rate?
90%.
80,000 pay. 10%. 8,000. Balance it. Balance it. 1 lakh. 8,000. 1 lakh. 8,000. To cash or bank. इसे लिखना प्लीज बैलेंसिंग फिगर परचेज 28,000. Again purchase, so purchase of furniture 28,000. Goodwill and patent, assume that they are written off as no information is given. And interest received on investment. $60,000 positive. Cash flow from investing activity. Cash outflow negative. $268,000. Four months.